All right, PDR beginners, third time recording this video. It's giveaway time. Hope you're having a good weekend. Andrew, the current student, has been kicking butt on this Toyota. Today we were working on access of the quarter panel behind the tail light, glue pulling this rail. He's been knocking it out of the park, so we hope you're having a good weekend. We wanted to pause things, do a quick giveaway. Let me flip this around here without hitting the pause button this time. There we go, finally. 3 times, third time's a charm. All right, so what we have here today is a really cool package that the good people over at Anson have reactivated for me. This is a holiday package. It's a $430 value. This is something that I'm gonna be giving away regularly. We got some really killer products here to help fill in some gaps as you're starting your collection. We've got ourselves we've got door leverage or window leverage here. So put this into the door. The upper arm of the door right here hangs down. We've got yourself some leverage for the rod up on the roof. We've got ourselves a nice window guard. We've got a really killer slide hammer. Lightweight, gonna be doing small to medium dent repair. This thing is slick. I love this thing. Was tempted to keep that for myself. We got a really nice glue gun. If you've already got one, then never hurts to have a backup, but this is a really killer glue gun here. Of course, if you're going to be getting into the doors, you're going to be needing to protect the windows, but you're going to need to create a little gap to get your tools down in. So we got a really nice wedge from Burrow. We've got ourselves a paddle, which in the first video I forgot. I went blank, didn't even know what this was. So we got ourselves a paddle from PDR Outlet. We've got a really nice leather faced for knocking down here. PDR Outlet is now going to be getting ran by Vinny. So Larry, best of luck, everybody. Wish Larry all best wishes, well wishes down in the comment section down below. He's going to be pushing PDR and teaching more full time. He's been running PDR Outlet. Now it's going to be Vinny's baby. We've got a really nice knockdown from Dead Dent, 50 cal bullet. Really, really killer knockdown. Speaking of Dead Dent, we've got 2 rope ratchets, 1/8 rope ratchets. You got to be able to secure your hoods, your trunks on your stands. So we got 2 really nice rope ratchets. As far as leverage goes, we got ourselves a couple of S-hooks here. We can hang these anywhere where you got access, under the hood, under trunks, really above a headliner and any of those access holes. But here's some really good leverage, some old school leverage. Speaking of old school leverage, we got ourselves a really nice quarter panel, hatch, lift gate, edge of the hood type leverage. So really soft. This is not going to damage any kind of paint. So you can place this right in this little cavity or this little canal here, and you can use it to push in the quarter panel. You know, when we take the lift gate off at the very top, we've got this channel up here. This can rest right in there on those lift gates, so you can push the roof. And then also while you're training and finding your tip at home, initially in this first chapter of trial and error as you're learning PDR, you can set this puppy on the edge of the hood and have leverage here to push some dents out in the open on here. So really great leverage, multi-use. It also comes with a little extension here. So if you need that leverage access point to be dropped down just a little bit more, got a really good hook that comes with that. Now, we've got ourselves, I know what some of you guys are going to be saying in the comment section, Dent guys aren't going to be using this for the repair portion, but here is where this is a great benefit to have for all of you PDR beginners. Yes, you are not going to be folding this thing out and looking at dents yourself as you push dents, but this is a great tool to have on hand. Customers don't always know what they're looking for. They don't always know what the extent of the damage that they have. It's really hard to see some of this damage outside. So for you to be able to kindly go outside with this, not having to grab your mini light or anything. If you don't have a mini light, here you go. Walk right outside, put this on the panel, and now the distortion of these lines is what customers can relate with. They see that visual right there. They see a few different flickers, then they may be a little more inclined to you know, listen to your estimate or appreciate your estimate. If they can't see the dent, then they don't understand why they're going to be paying for the repair. So here's a great visual to be able to go outside with them, show them their damage. It's lightweight, it's compact. You can fold this puppy back up, put this on the edge of your cart, I promise this is a lot easier. I'm doing this while looking in the phone. So here we go, nice, compact, but this is a really nice package that I'm gonna be giving away frequently here in the group. All you have to do is go over to YouTube, subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, get down in the comment section down below. Comment anything. Let's try to make some comments that are a benefit added to the group today. So let's put some positive, constructive criticism or any tips or tricks, anything that we can throw in the comment section below. That way we are truly iron sharpens iron and helping each other out. But here's how to get the real kicker to get into this giveaway is here in the Facebook group. You got to get down in the comment section down below. And I don't want a comment. What I want is a picture. So this is an image request. Take a picture of whatever you're working on today, this weekend. Let that be your comment down below. If I see that you made a comment and you're subscribed to the channel, you'll get entered in to win this awesome package right here. And I'll be doing this multiple times this year. So, all right, you guys are going to have the rest of the week to enter into this giveaway. If the winner of this giveaway wants to prep any of this gear like I do my own, wrapping, heat shrink, please let me know before I send this off. Next Saturday, I'll announce the winner to this giveaway, and I'll have another giveaway announced next Saturday. So have a good week, stay tuned, work hard, and go be great.